Hello and welcome to Math096D Intermediate Algebra, Section 4001, online. My name is Jeff Downs. My email is jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. The homepage there, they've been doing some changes on the college website, so I'm not sure if that link still works, but all the content I had there is going to be in Canvas plus a lot more. My office is on the Carson campus, Aspen 224. My phone number for my office is 775-445-4400. I'll be having office hours on Tuesday and Thursday in my office from 11 to 12:30, and on Wednesday online from 11 to 1. The prerequisites for the class: ACT score of 20, SAT score of 480, Math 96 with a C or better, score of 80 on the Accuplacer or the elementary algebra version, or a score of 30 on the Accuplacer college level math placement exam. So, a course description. A second course in algebra. This course is intended as a co-requisite for Math 126-4003. Topics include multiplying, dividing, factoring, polynomials, expressions, solving polynomial and rational equations, algebraic techniques involving exponents and radicals, systems of linear equations. Now, credit for this does not apply toward any baccalaureate degree. And the intention of this course, so it's what we call a stretch course, coupled with 126 in one semester. That's 2 credits from this course, 3 from that makes 5 credits. So you have 5 credits of study in the semester. That's a lot of time to commit. That is equivalent of 5 hours a week of instruction, plus then the homework and study time. Course objectives. So upon completion of this course, students should be able to do the following: read, write, simplify, and manipulate polynomial, rational, and radical expressions, solve polynomial and rational equations, solve quadratic equations using factoring and the quadratic formula, solve simple polynomial equations, multiply, divide, and factor polynomial expressions, solve rational equations, use algebraic techniques involving exponents, graph simple quadratic functions, use the Pythagorean and distance formulas, solve a system of linear equations, and solve application problems. Linkage to the college mission: provide instruction that contributes to students' abilities to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically, and apply computational skills. The book for this is Developmental Math, an Open Program. It's in Canvas, so when you get into Canvas, you're going to see over in the modules, one of the it's not the very first one, I think it might be the second or third module has the textbook in it. And I have 2 versions: the entire book, or it's broken into parts, and we need parts 2 and 3 for this class. So you need text, and you need some kind of a calculator that's helpful. The TI-30X2S is a very affordable calculator, and it will work very well for this class. Grading scale is A, B, C, D, F, pretty standard. So the grade breakdown. Now this is a 6-week class, so we are going to be moving pretty quick when we cover a lot of material. We're going to have 2 exams, like a midterm and a final. Excuse me. Quizzes, 5 quizzes at 20 points each for that. And then discussions, you need to do at least 5 discussions at 10 points each. And homework, 6 chapters, and they range in points. So what I've done over here, instead of doing a point total, I'm trying to show you how it compares to the class. So the weighting for the class, the exams will be half of the grading for the class, so each exam is 25% of the grade. The quizzes altogether is 12.5% of the grade. Your discussion postings, 12.5% of the grade. And then the homework is 25% of the grade. So the grade categories are weighted and not based upon total points, but instead based on weights in each category. I want to make that clear to you. Exams will be 2 exams, a midterm due February 13th and a final exam due March 2nd. There'll be no makeup for missed exams. And the March 2nd one, that's our last day of our class, so you have to get that done. Quizzes, there'll be 6 quizzes with the top 5 of which will count for the grade. Each quiz is worth 20 points toward the grade. If a quiz is missed, it will receive a score of 0. Discussions, you must provide at least 5 postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive and not simply say, "I agree." You can either ask a question from our material or you can answer a question. The first posting should be an introduction about yourself. Homework. Homework will be completed through Canvas in the link called Unit Homework. So there'll be, in each module there is a Unit 11 homework, Unit 12 homework, and so on. We'll be covering chapters 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. The point values for each chapter assignment may vary. Overall, the homework is weighted to be 25% of the grade. So again, instead of doing a point total for the class, we're doing weighted categories. Attendance. No attendance is required. A discussion grade is determined by the number of substantive posts on the discussion board in Canvas. I'll be checking posts in the introduction, homework, discussions, and math jokes areas. So right now there is a discussions topic that I put in the grade book. So I may have to change that because I think that I'm not sure that's going to work out. But anyway, you're going to do your discussion postings. You need 5 of those at least. Ethics statement. No cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Early alert. Please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Gary Schwartz, the director, and there's his email address. Disability statement. Western Nevada College is committed to providing reasonable accommodations for all persons with disabilities. This syllabus is available in alternate formats upon request. Any student with a documented disability needing academic adjustments is requested to speak with the Disability Support Services and the instructors early in the semester as possible. All discussions will remain confidential. Please contact the Disability Support Services, Carson Campus Theater 209. You can go in or you can call the phone number or email at the email address listed. Susan Triss is the director. She travels to Fallon campus on a monthly basis, and she'll go to Douglas campus upon request. Here are important college dates. So I'm not sure that the drop stuff, how that works with our class being such a short-term class, but these are in general the college dates for things. And there's our semester right there. I mean, that's 6 weeks. We will be moving at a brisk pace. So you need to stay up with it. And I mean, if you just notice, we have 11. I ask you to go to 12.1 here. Then it should be 12.2, 12.3, and 14.1. Finish up 14, and then do the midterm. It's due there. Start 15, 16, 17, and we've got a very short time for 17. The final is released here and it's due here. Then after that, we're on to the other portion of the class, the 126 portion. So, okay, I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have questions.